Hi everyone, it's Rhonda. Welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit French. Today is my first Ruby Tuesday design team project, and thank you Heather for inviting me to this team. I have a beautiful journal here that I made. This is a antique mother of pearl cross, and put that to the side, tied up with antique ribbon. And this very front cover is on cardstock, and it's a little bit on the back, the cardstock. And inside we have two printed holy cards, and you can write on them in the back. And here's some antique French original papers. And inside this pocket is just a writing spot. There are plenty in this journal, so whoever ends up with this journal, there are plenty of writing spots. And this is another beautiful image. And then on this very old thick music paper, I added this embroidered ribbon in the corner. And here you go, another beautiful card. I just clipped her in. And here's another pretty image. And then in this little pocket is another writing spot. And it's of an angel. She's from one of the angel kits. The blues are just beautiful. Here's another writing spot with an angel on the front. Let's get that clipped on there. And then here is some tracing paper, and I added some images. And this is from the Ledger kit. And in this pocket, more writing spots. In this beautiful crocheted trim, I added another little booklet, open booklet with angels writing spot. And here's that tracing paper, baby Jesus. I love these holy card images. They're just so touching. And Mother Mary. And this is the beautiful translucent white flowers that I have. I've been hoarding them. I love them so much, but they just look like they fit on this blue background. Really pretty. Here's another angel writing spot folded up with some lace pocket, some rag paper, French book pages, and then our Heavenly Mother. And then more ledger paper. I always try to add trim to these rag paper book pages. And I love this handwriting here. It is a great digital. And then in the middle, I didn't really want to cover up the cherubs, so I left it the way it is. And here's more of that writing. I just love that writing. A little short page. And then this holy card looks very, very antique. It's very pretty. More of the ledger paper. And this little side tuck is another writing spot with this very delicate drawing of an angel. I didn't have to do too much. Heather's kits speak for themselves. And here's another holy card. You can write on the back. Oh, I don't know why I did that, because I wanted to show you this image of a holy card. Just so tender. I collect holy cards. I have for years, so these are very, very special to me. Beautiful. And then in here, this little flip out is another place to write with this beautiful blue paper. Or you can put your own prayer cards in here, or journal. And here is the only little booklet that I created. I used some very old antique French rag paper. I don't know if it's from a Bible per se, because it came in some antique papers that I bought. But I used one of Heather's kits to hold it. And then here's some lace and a place to write here. And I just love that image. And this blue. Now in here is a Hanky pocket from my friend Carrie. She gifted me, and I just thought it belonged in here because it's just so precious, and it's embroidered. I hope you can see that, the embroidered on here. And I don't know, it may not have been sewn because I don't see any sewing. But anyway, I added more of the prayer cards that were in the kits, and they're all backed. So you'll get them in this little envelope here, this little Hanky envelope. What a great idea. Put that in here. And then here's another beautiful image. And here are two more writing spot, little opened up booklets that you can open up and store things in. And then Saint Philomene. And then on this little page, I added some more embroidery. I think this is sari ribbon, actually. Very pretty with that blue. And there you have it. Well, I hope you found some inspiration today. I enjoy making these religious themed, Mother Mary themed journals and angels. They just bring me comfort, and I hope they do you as well. So thanks for watching, everyone. I'm very happy that you're watching, and I will be back soon. Take care.